Welcome to Beta Mail, where today I'm going to be putting a light under the stairs just here. Now I didn't want to mess around, either pay an electrician to install a light that's sort of wired in, so I went onto Amazon and got one of these battery operated push lights. So tools I'm going to use, literally just a hammer, a nail. I've popped the batteries into this and then the nail's going to go into the wall and it's going to hang onto here like so. So this is the space that needs to be lit. So in terms of sighting the light, I had a little play around, because what I don't want to do is say pop it on the wall here and then when it's lit be in front of the light creating a shadow. So in terms of lighting, you can go overhead, but it's going to be a bit awkward to hang that on and keep it flush against that angle. So I'm actually going to pop it just behind here, because predominantly going to be using this workspace here, so this area just to the right will remain lit. So for this particular backing, it's just wooden paneling. So all I needed was a small pin hammer to hammer the nail in. If you're going into, say, plasterboard or into masonry or brickwork, then check out my other videos on how to tie back a bookcase, because that'll be a little bit more involved. You need to put wall plugs in and all the rest of it. But for now, I've popped the nail in, so I'm just going to hang the light onto that nail, and then I'll show you the finished job. Great stuff. So that's the nail holding the light in place now. It illuminates this area quite nicely. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.